ALMIRAH, Almira, Almira means almari. COPBOURD, cupboard, cupboard means अलमारी दीवार में, cupboard means अलमारी दीवार में. MORTAR, mortar, mortar means ओखली. CINDER, cinder means अंगारा. HEARTH, hearth, hearth means अंगीठी. Next word THIMBLE, thimble, thimble means अंगुस्ताना, thimble means अंगुस्ताना. BOBBIN, bobbin, bobbin means फिरकी, bobbin, bobbin means फिरकी. IRON, iron, iron means स्त्री, iron means स्त्री. FUEL, fuel, fuel means ईंधन, fuel means ईंधन. CAULDRON, cauldron, cauldron means कढ़ाई. Next one BLANKET, blanket, blanket means कंबल. LADLE, ladle, ladle means करछुल, ladle means करछुल. CANISTR, canister, canister means कनस्तर, canister means कनस्तर. COMB, comb, comb means कंघी. CHAIR, chair, chair means कुर्सी. Next one FORK, fork, fork means कांटा. FORK, fork, fork means कांटा. FUNNEL, funnel, funnel means keep, funnel, funnel means keep. JAR, jar, jar means गगरा. MAT, mat, mat means चटाई, mat means चटाई. SPOON, spoon, spoon means चम्मच, spoon means चम्मच. Next one SIEVE, sieve, sieve means चलनी. BED, bed. SHEET, sit, bed sheet, bed sheet means चादर. KEY, key, key means चाबी, key means चाबी. COT, cot, cot means चारपाई, cot means चारपाई. TONG, tongue, tongue means चिमटा, tongue means चिमटा. Next one CHIMNEY, chimney, chimney means chimney, chimney means chimney. STOVE, stove, stove means चूल्हा, stove means चूल्हा. STICK, stick, stick means छड़ी, STICK, stick, stick means छड़ी. UMBRELL, umbrella, umbrella means छाता. ATTACHE, attach, BOX, attach box means छोटा बक्सा. Next one COBWEB, cobweb, cobweb means जाला. BROOM, broom, broom means झाड़ू. SWING, swing, swing means झूला. TRAY, tray, tray means tray. TRAY, tray, tray means tray. BASKET, basket, basket means टोकरी. Next one BOX, box, box means डिब्बा, box means डिब्बा. BOWL, ball, ball means डोंगा, ball means डोंगा. PILLOW, pillow, pillow means ताकिया, pillow means ताकिया. BALLANCE, balance, balance means तराजू. SAUCER, saucer, saucer means तस्तरी, saucer means तस्तरी. Next one WIRE, wire, wire means तार, wire means तार. LOCK, lock, lock means ताला, lock means ताला. SAFE, safe, safe means तिजोरी, safe means तिजोरी. OVEN, oven, oven means तंदूर, oven, oven means तंदूर. PLATE, plate, plate means थाली, plate means थाली. Next one TOOTHPICK, toothpick, toothpick means दंत खोदनी. TOOTHPOWDER, tooth powder, tooth powder means दंत मंजन. THREAD, thread, thread means धागा, thread means धागा. CENSER, sensor, sensor means धूपदानी. TAP, tap, tap means नलका, tap means नलका. Next one BED bed, bed means palang, bed means palang. CUP cup, cup means प्याला. DOOR door, MAT doormat, doormat means पायदान. FLAWER VAC flower vase means फूलदान. PERAMBULATOR perambulator, perambulator means बच्चों की गाड़ी. Perambulator means बच्चों की गाड़ी. Next one, POT pot, pot means बर्तन, pot means बर्तन. BRUSH brush, brush means brush, brush means brush. BUTTON button, button means button. BUTTON button, button means button. ICE BOX ice box, ice box means बर्फ का बक्सा. Ice box means बर्फ का बक्सा. BUCKET bucket, bucket means बाल्टी. BUCKET bucket, bucket means बाल्टी. Next one, ROLLING PIN, rolling pin, rolling pin means बेलन. BOTTLE bottle, bottle means बोतल. BOTTLE bottle, bottle means बोतल. SACK sack, sack means बोरा, sack means बोरा. CHURNER churner, churner means मथनी. Churner, churner means मथनी. BOLSTER bolster, bolster means ताकिया. Next one, PESTLE pestle, pestle means musli. TABLE table, table means मेज, table means मेज. DISH dish, dish means थाली, dish means थाली. QUILT quilt, quilt means रजाई, quilt, quilt means रजाई. ROP rope, rope means रस्सा. ROP rope, rope means रस्सा. Next one, CANDLE candle, candle means मोमबत्ती. Candle, candle means मोमबत्ती. STRING string, string means रस्सी. PEN pen, pen means लेखनी. PEN pen, pen means लेखनी. LAMP lamp, lamp means lamp. Lamp means lamp. BOWL ball, ball means लोटा. BOWL ball, ball means लोटा. Next one, PHIAL file, file means CC. File, file means CC. BOX box, box means संदूक. Box means संदूक. SOAP soap, soap means साबुन. SOAP soap, CASE soap case, soap case means साबुनदानी. Soap case means साबुनदानी. CASKT casket, casket means सिंगारदान. Casket means सिंगारदान. Thanks for watching this video.